Good morning and welcome to another live trading session as well as a daily vlog video by your boy Prodigy, a part-time trader, soon to be a full-time millionaire. That's what I'm working on, guys. So right now just currently trading, but unfortunately we haven't even took a single trade because the market's literally chopping. It's going sideways, not doing anything. There's no type of moves happening, no setups at all. So we most likely won't even catch anything. I'll try to catch something at work if I can, and I'll try to also update you guys if I do take anything, show you guys what I do take. Now, I'm assuming market's probably chopped up because tomorrow we have Jerome Powell at 7 a.m. speaking, as well as a couple reports like the PPI reports coming out tomorrow. So potentially investors are just waiting for those reports to drop, as well as Jerome Powell to say something about the economy, potentially. So that's my only assumption for why the market's chopping around on a Monday. So unfortunately, we got no plays, no trades, nothing's happening, honestly. If you look at the market too, it's kind of just chopping around. We did drop in the morning. Came back up to retest the EMAs and whatever resistance levels that we have. Probably just gonna wrap it up here, hit a couple weights before we head to work, and call it good. So I highly doubt we're gonna be able to catch anything. Literally, market's not doing nothing, guys. I'm trying to catch something. I'm trying to even take some quick in and out scalps, right? Some just quick in and out ones. Nothing's happening, bros. Literally, if you try to play the 9 EMA, the 21 EMA, it's kind of respecting it a little bit, but not enough to be too confident in. So most likely won't be trading anything, but I will bring my laptop. I will have charts open. I will be looking at things, trying to catch something. But if I don't, guys, it won't happen. And that's one thing about trading, guys. Don't force a trade. That's where I also lost a lot of money, is by forcing a trade, thinking that I always have to be into a trade. But some days market just does not give you a trade, and it's honestly best to just not take a trade, save your capital, and wait the next day for some better setups so you can actually start trading your money and not lose. You know, maybe I can win, but chances are losing is way more probable. Anyways, guys, I'm about to head to work. I'll show you guys what I do, but I'll try to keep it limited so it's not too boring, and I'll try to keep it more about option trading. Although I am a part-time worker, so I do just want to show what I do on the side as well as what it's like real life. Anyways, catch you guys. Here comes my ride. Better just fill these in. Dye this up. Just finished there. This is the earliest day like I almost had, basically. It's so early. We took no trades today, guys. Luckily, I had enough discipline at work to not take a single trade, although I was literally watching the charts. And like I said, I just saw nothing. Even though there's EMAs, even though there were support and resistance levels that were kind of being hit, although there was not that much strong confirmation for me to be confident in taking any type of positions. So I didn't take anything, guys. We're gonna trade tomorrow. It's only Monday, so it's fine that we didn't trade, but we have J Powell tomorrow, so we gotta be really careful to trade tomorrow, because honestly, they might just be waiting for Jerome Powell. But did you guys see what happened to AMC and GameStop? Literally, they 100% today from the price of yesterday. What I mean by that is they closed yesterday, for an example, I don't know, like 250. AMC did, or something like that, on Friday. Bro, they freaking rocketed to $5.50. They have a 95% return today off of their share price. So I mean, that's literally insane. Anybody that played that, like our friend Vinny in the Discord today, and he was up 50%, made bank. I mean, he caught it when it was already running, but people that have been holding it since last night, people that have been buying shares and options of it and knew something that we didn't, oh bro, they're up fat. But anyways, guys, we're gonna go to the gym today. Yes, we're gonna go to the gym today, and we're gonna chart for tomorrow, and we're gonna work on some videos. We have a lot of things that we need to work on, a lot of stuff I need to post, a lot of video ideas that I've already videoed up, like me talking about journaling your trades, which is really important. I'm gonna drop that hopefully today. If not, the vlog's for sure gonna drop. So I mean, let's go, guys. We got a lot of work to do, so let's get it. Just pulled into home. We're taking my girlfriend's car to the gym instead. Per usual, to be honest, she got a better car than me. Come on, bro. Is the gym close? Is the gym close today, or is there just nobody here? Because I'm about to get front row parking. So yeah, it does look like the gym is closed. Oh, we got out of that one. Gym's closed, guys. That don't mean we can't work out at home. We already did 50 curls. So check this out, guys. 50 of these hoes, you know? 50 of these hoes. And then we did 50 push-ups. And then we did 50 of the same type of curls, but just with the, you know, instead of, and we're gonna, guess what, do the same thing to make it 100 and try to do 100 a day. That sounds like a lot. Drop a comment down below if you're watching all the way to the end of this video, or at least you're watching all the way to this part. But anyways, I just want to quickly talk to you guys and let you guys know what I'm expecting for tomorrow. So I believe I said I had no trade plan on Sunday night and I offered no trade idea. Well, today I have somewhat of a trade plan. I just have a range on the S&P 500s, and I just plan to trade whether it drops below that blue zone or just that zone in general, which is just Friday's lows and today's lows. If you just combine those 2 points, you get a nice zone. And I have a nice range on the below area and above. So if you grab the same thing, same concept, Friday's highs and today's highs, literally you get a nice range area. So that's the only trade plan that I have. I just plan on trading the SP 500s, practically somewhat of NVIDIA, but NVIDIA's kind of chopping around. I'll show you guys a quick chart here. But NVIDIA is somewhat chopping around. It's not really doing too much. So SPY is on my list more because the trade plan is more there. There's somewhat of a range, but also we got to be really mindful because tomorrow there's a lot of news. We have Jerome Powell as well as Lisa, the Federal Reserve chairman, whatever she is, speaks tomorrow as well. 20 minutes for the market even opens. So that means she's probably going to be speaking as soon as the market opens, and then Jerome Powell literally happens 30 minutes after. So that's what's happening tomorrow, guys. That's my trade plan, what I have. But I also want to just let you guys know that I do plan on dropping a video here soon, shortly, about journaling your trades. Really, it's just, really, the idea of it is really just having your trade plan already written out so that when you go to sleep, you wake up the next day and you just read it so that you already know and you have a refreshed mind. Because what I used to do, guys, is I would just chart it out and think that I'm good enough. That's it. That's all I need to do. Wake up the next day, come to the charts and think that I would remember. No. So I do recommend you to at least journal your trades, write down on a piece of paper, or even put it on your chart. Sometimes I do see people like V5 Vinny in our Discord. He writes on his own charts. He adds little notes, tabs. That's recommended too. But yeah, let me know what you guys see. Let me know what you guys are trading. Are you guys new traders? Are you a beginner at trading? What is it? Drop a comment down below. Please subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Like this video so we can help the algorithm and push it. I'm new to YouTube, practically trying to post consistently every single day. So if you guys can, subscribe, comment down below, and like, and just comment as well as what you guys are trading. I'd love to interact with you guys, talk to see what's up, see what you guys are trading, what you guys caught, what you guys want me to even specifically look at. I'm down to chart some stocks that you guys are looking at. I'm down to even try to trade them myself. Let's keep trading. Let's keep working towards becoming a millionaire every single day, because every single day, guys, we just have to practice and become better the day before. So every day that I trade, I come back and I look at what I did wrong and what I need to do tomorrow. And it is a difficult road. There's times where I still have some things I need to work on as far as like holding to the price target. That's, you know, it's uncomfortable. So there's still some things I need to learn on and work on. So that's what the journey is. So let's get right to it, guys. Let's keep working towards what we want and let's keep trading.